Alright, I have my new bolt toolbox handle. Here's the handle with the bolt cylinder. And the installation instructions. The tools I'm going to need are a 1/8 inch Allen wrench, a 1 1/4 inch wrench, a rivet gun, a flathead screwdriver, a 3/16 inch drill bit, and a drill with the 3/16 drill bit installed. First, I need to remove the old handle. Step 1. Loosen set screws and remove connecting rod with a 1/8 inch Allen wrench. Drill out existing rivets, recommended size 3/16. Do not exceed drill bit size 16 due to risk of damage to the toolbox. If you are unable to remove the rivet using the drill, use the flathead screwdriver and hammer to knock the head off the rivet. Remove existing handle latch assembly and gasket from the toolbox. Save gasket as it will be reused with the new handle. Time to code the lock cylinder. Loosen nut and remove lock cylinder from the new handle. Orient lock cylinder such that the drain slot is down. While maintaining full key insertion, turn the key 180 degrees. Do not pull up or down on the key while coding. Cycle lock 3 times to ensure lock cylinder was coded properly. Leave in the lock position when ready to install. Next, I'm going to install the new handle. Place new handle with gasket from old assembly into hole. Lock cylinder and nut have been removed. Rivet handle into place using the 4 included rivets. Install coated lock cylinder into the handle. Orient the lock cylinder so that the drain slot is down. Leave the lock cylinder in the lock position. Assemble spacer from the back onto the lock cylinder. Assemble nut onto the lock cylinder. Tighten with 1 1/4 inch wrench. Place lever on the back of the lock cylinder. The E-clip is formed with a bow. Assemble with concave side against the lever. Use a flathead screwdriver to help fully seat the clip. Move the connecting rod back into place. Secure by tightening set screws with a 1/8 inch Allen wrench. Alright, seems easy enough.